Good day, campers. Today I want to talk a little bit about Lippert's, Schwintek, in-wall slide outs, and the manual, or as they call it, the electrical override, and some other handy facts that relate to that manual override. What we're looking at here is the control module for that in-wall Schwintek slide out. In here you can see a small button to the right side of that opening. To the left side is two LEDs. Those LEDs are how you get error codes should something happen when you're trying to operate your slide. A number of things can cause you to need to use the manual override. First, let's actually do a manual override. You press this little button, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and hold it until the light blinks. Now we're in manual override. In order to use manual override, you have about 45 seconds from when that light starts to blink until manual override goes off. So you're going to need a second person to help. So you do the manual override, then the second person will hit the slide control button and move the slide whichever direction it is that you need to move it. Otherwise, if you reset it yourself and then try to run inside the camper, you're just not going to have enough time, and you will not be in override by the time you get there. One of the things that can cause you to need to go into manual override will relate back to voltage. These controllers are extremely sensitive to voltage. If you drop below 12 volts on the voltage coming into the controller, you're going to have less than 12 volts going out to the motors, and the motor behavior is going to be very, very unpredictable. Now, the important thing to know here is when you do your voltage checks, do it on battery only. Do not be hooked to shore power. You want to know what voltage you have under load, battery only. If in that condition you're less than 12 volts, you need to do something about getting more voltage. If your batteries are old, you'll probably need to replace them. If they're fairly new, then maybe they need to be charged before you operate your slide. Hopefully this is some information that will be helpful should you have a problem with your Schwintek in-wall electric slide out. Thank you and have a good day.